This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below.
Morning guys, October 9th, 2018. This one I gotta do a burner service, cleaning type of thing. Oh, it's kind of down in the dirt area.
Old West Court Road.
I think I was there last year, put a nozzle and a filter in it. I think she's also got a LP gas unit up in the attic and above the garage apartment type of thing. I gotta check that, but that should be fine. Try to give you some shots.
2.5 miles. Turn left on Pine Hill Road.
Oh, it's been a couple of years. No filter at tank. Clean pump filter, brushed down, vacuumed it, so I did a full once over on it. Cobweb City down here. It's got an OSV valve on it. Got fuel. We'll change the nozzle, check the oil flow, and then we'll start it. See what we're getting for draft. And pressure. That's good. Okay, so it looks clean. Oh, too bad. If that gets all full of muck, then you're in trouble. We'll run it, we'll check the oil flow. See what we're getting for oil flow. And be able to tell if the filters are dirty. Should be fine. See it? It's fine.
2
nozzle, good oil flow, good draft. I can stand up down here, but there's not a lot of room.
In 1/4 mile, turn right on Horseneck Road.